flight be smart, you may ask? Well, we do have a rather clever ambient cabin light system that magically changes during the flight to suit every situation. That's how. Better air, better light, more jet, less lag. Thank you for your attention. We hope this was useful. Have a super nice flight with us.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're on board. It's here for the safety. Oh, sure. Sure, can show you a video demonstrating the safety features of this aircraft. Oh, yes, beautifully.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Norwegian. Please may we have your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft. All hand luggage located on the floor must be placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. To avoid blocking the aisles or exits, please stow all hand luggage in the overhead locker or beneath the seat in front of you. If you're seated in a front row, please keep these areas clear during takeoff and landing. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If the pressure inside the aircraft drops, you will need oxygen. A panel above your seat will open automatically and release your oxygen mask. Remain seated, and in economy, reach for your mask. In premium economy, pull the streamer for the mask to drop the full distance. Put on the oxygen mask by placing it over your nose and mouth, and slip the elastic band over your head. Adjust the mask by tightening the elastic band. The oxygen flow is activated when you start breathing into the mask. Always put on your own mask first before helping others. This Boeing 787 Dreamliner has 8 emergency exits.
We're doing this.